Badges on the beat. Badges on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Misati Smiles. So guys, today we have an eyeshadow tutorial, a colorful eyeshadow tutorial with some bit of glitter. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, keep on watching. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed yet. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll be reading them all. And yeah, let's slay. So guys, we have the outer corner and the inner corner. For the transitioning shade, we are going to start from the outer corner, working in circular motion towards the inner corner. From the outer corner towards the inner corner. So for our concealer today, we are going to use the Elegant concealer in the shade Fawn to prime our base. Going in with the Huda So Extra palette, we are going to use that brown shade as our transitioning shade. The brown shade, we are going to use it as our transitioning shade. And remember guys, the key was to work from the outer corner towards the inner corner in circular motion, and do not drag the brush, just tap the product on your lid. And for the transitioning shade, do not take it in all the way to the inner corner. Using a fluffy brush, we are going to blend that transitioning shade in. Just blend in circular motion. I went in with an orange shade just to blend that in completely. Now we cut the crease. Make sure you're using a firm hand. Remember, while cutting your crease, make sure it's as neat and as straight as possible. I was using the Elegant concealer in the shade Fawn to cut my crease. Now I'm blending in the concealer to avoid any creases. So using the transitioning shade that we had used, we are going to blend in towards the concealer. Just blend that concealer and make it smooth. Going in with that yellow, just pack it there. I use this technique of using the tape to draw my wing liner because I find it to be easy and it makes my wing liner very sharp and neat, just the way I like it. I decided to add some pressed glitter from the same palette, and I apologize guys, I didn't show you the shades I was using. So just going in with the tip of my concealer and adding that glitter. At this point I was so happy because I could see the look coming through. And something else, you should draw your wing liner before using your glitter because it makes it so difficult to draw the wing liner when you have the glitter on. And yeah, that's the final look. Yes. So guys, there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you're going to try it as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it and share your comments. So there we have it. That's the final look. I hope you enjoy.